The Bureau of Customs has served notice anew that there will be no let-up in the government's intensified campaign against smugglers and violators of the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines. This followed the filing of cases before the Department of Justice against several individuals for the illegal importation of used cars. Noah Perfecto reports.
The Bureau of Customs is once again victorious in its campaign against group syndicates who continue to smuggle second-hand cars from Korea and Japan into the country. Customs Chief Rufy Biazon and Deputy Commissioner for Revenue Collection and Monitoring Group Peter Manzano personally filed cases in Justice Department against 5 officials of Philippine Genesis Freight Unlimited Incorporated for violating the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines. The 5 officials are Josefina Yap, Raymond Yap, Pamela Bernal, Anthony Yap, and Patricia Ann Yap. Charges were filed against them after they smuggled 3 million pesos worth of 3 second-hand cars such as Daewoo Rezo, Kia Carens, and Sonata. A case was also filed against Venecio Luterio, owner of Gas Point Mechanical Engineering Services, and his licensed customs broker Benedicto Hamito on charges of smuggling 2 units of second-hand Mitsubishi Canter Fuso tracks amounting to 1.5 million pesos. Commissioner Biazon immediately praised the group of Bien Rubio of the CIIS-MICP for seizing the contrabands.
Relentless, no? Walang patid yung ating kampanya laban sa smugglers. At ang patunay dito ay tuloy-tuloy din ang paghain natin ng mga reklamo. No? Tuloy-tuloy yung mga nahuhuli natin. So masasabi natin na we are living up to our duty. No? Wala naman tayong patid doon sa pag-file ng mga kaso na yan. We are doing our duty.
With this, Biazon will further strengthen and expand his intelligence groups to identify and charge all smugglers that have burdened the government. Biazon also cited the run after the smugglers group of DEPCO Manzano for filing cases against crooks. But he would want it if the smugglers are put behind bars.
Siyempre, hinihintay namin yung dahil naniniwala kaming malakas naman yung mga kasong sinampa namin, lalo na yung mga kaso ng misdeclaration. No? Pero siyempre yan ay labas na ng Bureau of Customs, nasa korte na yung iba naman ay under evaluation by the Department of Justice. Pero sana nga yung hustisya ay gumiling ng mas mabilis para maparusahan na sila.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.